Hello. We mwega. Oyo ne Jerry riki. Maretwa makwa njitagwo Jerry Grace Ngumi. Kana Jerry wa Pendazi mothe ni makwa. Ne ndi haha muthikiriria wakwa to ni ndirenda turiane matu ndagika 2 kana 3 ti nyingi o 3. Na ndirenda turiane matu twarie uhoro wa kindu gitagwo Gachumbi ka maheni. Gachumbi ka maheni. Agikoro ni moe matuko maria turatura matuko maria merirwo ni Paul in our good book, the Bible. Paul atwirire ati kwi hindi igoka gukinye andu magakorwo makienda kuigua mauru. Matigakorwo makienda kuigua mawega, magakorwo makienda kuigua mauru. Na matuko maria turatura thiko ici turatura matuko maria andu they are dying to hear mauru. Riria ndekire video yakwa ya mbere ya wiru ni muru, ndaririo uhoro wa ati kwi andu who die to hear bad things about other people. Ati umuthi ungi celebrate mawega makwa kwi andu maraigua makienda gukua, na maigua makienda gukua ni undu wa mawega maria mwathani anjikire. Kwoguo turatura matuko maria andu who are dying to hear bad and negative news. Na likio muthi ndaiga njoke haha njari uhoro wa Gachumbi ka maheni. Ni undu angikorwo ni uthiete through ugathie YouTube uka watch interviews iria ciekagwo thiko ici. Ngoragwo na interviews nyingi, na kiria kirangenirie ni ati ndira scrollire interviews cio andu ma interview agwo ndrona gutire headline ya iheanite a positive headline. There are very few positive headlines. Ciothe cikoragwo ni negative. Okorwo ni mutumia uraheana rugano aheanaga rugano uria muthuri we amwikire maundu moru. Okorwo ni muthuri nake agoka akaheana rugano. Na it's okay for people to share the those stories and to open up. No ni ndirenda gukuhe kindu Gachumbi ka maheni na kindu kiria gitumaga negative news and negative information ituike attractive. Nyambiririe na kuga atiriri ati matuko maria turatura matuko maria twerirwo ati people their ears will be itching to hear negative things. Na kuo matuko maria turatura matuko maria andu mara itch kuhia maundu negative. No ni ndirenda gukuhe wisdom ya muturire. Na wisdom ya muturire ria ngukwira ni ngukwira atiriri ati maundu maingi maria turona, especially turona guku social media na mitandaoni, they are supposed to elicit kindu gitagwo emotional reaction. They hook you up emotionally. Nikyo uigua ciambaga ukaigua karugano kau kambite gagekirwo kabaga kaheo title very negative nigetha u click no ambiririe guthikiriria. Na wa click wathikiriria ukaigua tundu twambiririe tundu tukambia tundu negative, and you get that reaction yeah, they elicit, sometimes they elicit anger, sometimes they elicit anger towards the person uria wekire mundu ucio guo to ni waigua ni warakara amwikaga guo niki ya elicit kindu gitagwo sadness to mangi ni very sad. Kwoguo rimwe ni twagirirwo gukorwo with the 7th sense. Yet it's something that elicits a negative thing out of your reaction. It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing for your mental health. It's not a good thing for your psychology. Koguo riria tuguthie tugathikiriria ndugano ruru, rimwe ni twambete ni ngwenda gukwira muthikiriria wakwa cokagana na hau thutha ukaiga atiriri no nyende kumenya the other side of the story. No nyende kumenya the other side of the story. Ni undu o rugano o ruothe rukoragwo na two sides of stories. Gutire rugano rukoragwo na one sided story. Rimwe ni wonaga mundu ni oka arenda gukuhe ndeto ciakwa ni Grace, no mundu ucio arokaga kuhe maundu makwa negative. Rigi o ire ka negativity gakwa kamwe kana undu umwe muru ndamwikire, no undu ucio arenda ku spin akawongerera Gachumbi karia njugire Gachumbi kake ka maheni nigetha we muthikiriria wakwa wambiririe kuigua ati nyina Mario ni muru muno. no ndarenda gukwira atiriri nyina Mario ni ajikire mawega maya na maya na maya na maya muthikiriria wakwa ndirenda gukwira atiriri riria ukuigua rugano na riria ukuigua ndeto na riria ukuigua ndeto cikiheanwo tamenya kwi another side of the story riria mundu agukinyiria ndeto cia ng'ania abago kamwira atiriri haya reke twambe tumenye atiriri ndeto icio ri ng'ania angiuka ikarire haha no aheane uguo raheana ndeto icio roka gutwira ri rugano ru mundu arathie kuheana rwa muthuri weri ka mutumia wake amwikire ri mutumia wake mangithie maikare on the same table ndeto icio no ciheanwo the same way stingiheanwo the same way kugo nikio ndirenda gukwira we muthikiriria wakwa we niwe wina filter andu aria mareka rugano ru rukiheanwo mutandaoni they are doing it to get an audience tori mwe maundu positive matigiaga audience maundu mega rimwe matire audience no macio negative mena audience andu maria they are itching to hear maundu moru na nikio maundu macio ma negativity mena so much audience no maria mega matire na so much audience twe matuko-ine macio kugo aria mareka uguo mareka mena kiria they are looking for something but us as people we need to protect ourselves ora need to protect we muthikiriria wakwa nini ndira need to protect twe protect atiriri atiweri question what is the truth kumundu ngeraigire atiriri in every story there is one side there is always three sides to every story ni hari story ni hari mwena wakwa na hena mwena waku na there is the truth in between gamenya kwika rugano twaragwo ka maheni na ma because twi matuko maria maheni iheni rimwe ri travelaga all over the world hindi o the truth ni gwikira erekira iratu because andu ni maendire kuigua that Gachumbi kau ka maheni kongereirwo. They want to add that story. They want to spin it. They want to twist it. They want to flip it and flip it again. Etuike oria marenda etuike hane. Muthikiriria wakwa ndoka gukwira atiriri. We need to guard our emotions. Emotions negative wa elicit anger. Wa elicit hatred towards somebody cause waigwa wamena mundu ucio na ndukenda kumuona ni undu waheo kirugano na nduwe rugano ru kane rwama nduna thuthuria kanima nduna thuthuria kane guo kuhana ndunoria mundu ucio atiriri mundu ucio agigwika ogwo aragwikire nawe uramwikire atia turanidi gukorwo twina wisdom ya mutorire. Some of these stories are eliciting depression in us because really waigwa kirugano very negative and very sad. You become so depressed because they have elicited the emotion of sadness in you. Turani we protect our psychologically because that's what we need to be able to do. Muthikiriria wako omuthi niguo gwenda gukwira gioka gwika video no ni undu ni nyonete especially guko mutandaoni. Don't elicit your emotions. If there is anything that you should not do is elicit your emotions. Take things at a grain. Ugiaterere haya. Niguo kwa thire. Ni joy kwina rugano ruge behind that. Diraiga ati rugano gurutigetikio. No ni diraiga atiriri. Wewe ta wewe ni we protect. Wabe wekire filter. Filter ya emotions sisi yaku. May you filter your emotions. May you filter yourself. May you filter what you're hearing. May you filter what you're reacting to. Tika ko react. Don't react. Let it be. Oh, ni womodo shara gwekire. Leke gai ni akamuri ni akurihiria. Don't hate that person because ni ureli arekire. Let God will fight for you. Mwere mwathani ni agakururira. Kama will always catch up with that person. Because that's life and that's the way things are. Please, 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 please. May you guard your emotions. Let not the negativity that people are itching to hear. Your emotions. Thank you,